Grand Rising!
Oh, such a beautiful day.
Another beautiful day on the road.
Hell yeah.
Today, what we get to go see, do you know?
No, what are we gonna go see?
Some big trees.
Ooh, the
Redwoods. Let's go.
Let's go.
What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a Class C motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting
Seek adventures.
and reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you to
feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
So don't forget to smack that subscribe button.
Karate chop that notification bell to see when all our videos drop. Don't miss a thing.
No, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. Let's go!
Buckle up, Buttercup.
See you later, Lucky 7. We're out of here.
We officially entered the Redwood National Forest.
Hell yeah, we here, baby.
Oh my gosh, the trees are starting to get bigger. Holy crap.
Massive. I mean, Oregon had a lot of trees. They didn't have big old trees like this.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
So we decided to stop at the Trees of Mystery, check out Paul Bunyan in blue.
Let's go check it out.
Jesus. I wonder what size shoe this guy wears.
I wonder if the shoe size matches.
I need to check him for a hernia, although I'm not a practitioner. I do help out when I can. Your arms are really long. Wow.
All right, enough fooling around. It's time to get back on the road.
We gotta ride through some trees.
Woo! Oh my gosh, we totally just flipped a bitch on the 101
Yeah, we did.
because we missed our exit. Shoot. Don't tell nobody.
Who are they gonna tell? They're not gonna tell. They love us. We made it to the Redwood Forest, and as you can see, the drive-through tree. This is gonna be an homage to our oldest, who him and his best friend came down from Portland, Oregon, all the way to LA on longboards. So we're gonna go through on our e-bikes because they went through on their longboards.
Hey, bikes.
I think this is the first Hey Bike Rangers going through the tree.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, now that we drove through the tree, let's go find some big trees.
Yeah.
All right, we just stopped at the big tree. Let's go find us a big tree.
Let's go.
I have no words for this.
Holy crap.
We're gonna be tree huggers. We can't hug this one.
Too big.
Too big. That's what she said. That's one of the branches that fell off of that tree.
Well, let's go this way. Look. It says Cathedral Tree Trail. Oh, look.
Wow. These are natural slingshots. So whenever you go into a forest, they will be here. You just gotta find them. This one's mine, so leave it alone.
I'm telling you, this is outrageously beautiful.
This is crazy.
Redwoods. Do it.
Hey, love. What you doing?
I'm gathering all the good energy from it. Feels so good. It's just like a calming effect. It just feels good. If you've never done it, I know it sounds stupid, but go try it. You never know. Oh, wait, even bigger trees. Ooh, let's go that way. Okay.
That's way 2 more big trees. So,
Okay, let's go big trees. Oh my gosh.
what the? Wow. Look at these things. Holy mackerel.
Okay, I'm gonna get a shot at. This does not even do it justice.
Woman, what the hell are you doing? Better be careful. Tightrope walker.
Wow, look how huge this tree is, guys.
This thing fell. Wait a minute. Did somebody hear it?
No. Holy crap.
I didn't mean to knock it over. It was an accident.
Oh my gosh, look, I can totally fit in.
Oh, we could fit in. Boo!
Did you get scared?
Whoa. YouTube doesn't give it justice. This is quite amazing and beautiful. I didn't think it was gonna really affect me the way it did. If you're coming by just for 5 minutes, just come by and just check it out, because watching it on TV just or on your computer just doesn't do it justice at all. I mean, you could be amazed by the people that come here through TV or YouTube, but it's a different story when you're standing in the middle of all these tall guys.
So get up, get out there and feel the free.
Feel it hard.
Since we've gotten on this parkway and I've gotten out of the car, like it's just heavy, like almost like I wanted to cry. And so when I saw that sign, it just maybe wonder if there was a battle here. So if you know if there was a battle, comment below. I fucking love our lives.
Me too. All right, well, we've been exploring for, I don't know, quite some time now. And we haven't seen any signs. And we haven't run into any people.
For about 45 minutes now.
Yeah.
I think we're lost.
Yeah, we might be.
Still cool though.
Yeah. I mean, there's plenty of wood to make a shelter here.
But we didn't bring any water.
Oh, damn. We got to go back.
I don't know which way is back.
All right, listen. We're going to figure this out. We'll see you back at the RV.
All right. We made it.
We found it.
We're alive. We're alive, guys. Don't worry.
So that means the adventure continues.
Just went to the visitor center and got our patch.
Walking stick shield, National Park
Passport. We're official, guys.
We got our first stamp in there, so now we got to collect the rest.
We need to find a place to sleep.
Yeah, we better do it.
Because there's no service. My phone is about to die. The cord's not charging my phone. His phone's about to die.
Try to find somewhere to go charge up and then figure out where to stay.
All right.
Wait, hey, whoa. You can't go that way. The elk are going to kick your butt.
Oh, I ain't scared. Just kidding. I'm scared.
All right, Blue, cough. Let's go.
Burger. Thanks for our freaking video. What the hell was that?
It was a boo.